Hello everyone, I am going to show you how I drafted my flat collar. So you keep your front and back bodies together like this, all flat. Here you go to make it straight, your original neckline. You go to make straight middle line as I am showing you. Now draw line at the edge of your bodies. Here I am using my fingers to hold the bodies, but you can pin it down if you want. So like this. This is how it looks like. Now do the marking. It's seam allowances, half an inch. And here my width of collar, it's 1 inch. Half an inch for that width as well. Same allowance. So altogether it's 2 inches wide. It is half an inch from original neckline, and altogether it's 2 inches. Now I'm marking 1.5 inches line to the neck shape. Other side is for the body side. It's again half an inch seam allowance. It's on fold, and I need 2 of them. Cut it down. Now cut in the fabrics. First of all, it's collars. I need 2 collars. I'm folding fabrics twice. Then I can make 2 collars. Make the snips at the middle. This is how it looks. As this is a mock-up, I cut only upper parts of bodies, and I have done my interlining to one panel of the collar, and other one is just fabric still. And this is front panel and 2 back panels. And I'm going to do the shoulder seams now. Now going to do the collar. Pin it down first. Make sure you match snips in the middle. So like this. Making the trimming at the corners. then it's easy to turn inside out. Not only that, it looks clean finished, like it's your points like giving much neater looking. Make snips like this and turn inside out. Use some pokey thing. And as you can see, it's easy making pointing. Now I have ironed my collar. These are my seams at the back. Find the middle of bodice and the middle of collar as well. Interlining face of the collar, attaching to the back side of the fabric. So I'm starting from the middle. So this is how I'm doing. I'm starting from the middle when I'm trying something new. In case if I do any mistakes, I can unpick or adjust. It's easy to do like that way. One side of collar attached already now. Now time to do the other bit of the collar. Before that, I need to make the snips. Go to fold like this. I'm going to do the snips first. Now it's time to cover seam allowances inside. Handle fabrics very gently. Don't stretch any of the fabrics here because it can make crooked neckline to your garment. Now it's all flat and neat, and I have given a press as well and sew along like this. There we go. I have finished my flat collar. I think it seems all right. I'm happy with it. And the back is like this. I have seam allowances for the invisible zip, and I tried on myself as well. It looks all right to me. See you with another tutorial then. Bye. Take care.